we're tiling the shower now, and we're carrying the same tile and pattern into the shower. You see it's the full 2/3, 1/3, and then it repeats full 2/3, 1/3. Hey, it is Friday, and we have got that wall done. Kind of a tricky one, a lot of angle cuts. And there you go. We are almost finished with the tile. So we have a couple of pieces that we need to get for up top. And then we need a couple of pieces to finish the wall here and across the side of the threshold. So this is the tile that we just did. And so we finished all of that. We had some nice angle cuts in there that were a fun thing to do. And we've got the threshold here, which slopes into the shower, so the water flows into the shower, not away. And that's the seat, which slopes downward into the shower again. You always want to slope things in towards the drain. And there you see the tile work up under there. So this is a good tile job. It was a bugger, but we got it. And everything looks pretty good. So, okay, well, that is it for now. Hope you are enjoying following along the project. Subscribe if you want to keep following and watch more construction videos. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.